Here you go. Moment of truth, y'all. Moment of, oh, yeah, this one. Oh, maybe two keep. Oh, it's two keepers or something. Three. Four keepers. Yeah, we got four keepers. Down there somewhere.
We almost there. We almost
there. Oh, my leg's too cold. It's shaky.
It's hella cold.
Make sure you guys don't wear sandals and slippers like me on freezing. Kayak is a lot of work, y'all.
How deep you want to go?
You gotta go to the more too close to the sand. In California, you're only allowed to have crab loops, 2 buoys with your fishing license ID on there and your last name and the letter line. 50-pounder freaking crab loop over here, man. Good job, man. I got you. That's why you never want to go kayak alone, y'all. It's a very beautiful day, guys. This is why I like to be out in the waters. It's a good meditation away from the city life. It's what life is all about. Enjoying Mother Nature. Make sure you guys always carry a crab gauge, alright? You can get a ticket from this. Alright, let's check out our crab pot. It's been about 30 minutes. Grab that. Can you think you grab that crab from there?
Yeah. We got one keeper, baby. One keeper.
Let's go.
Got one.
Yeah.
Let's go. Alright, here's the moment of truth. And our first keeper, baby.
Let's go. Alright.
6 1/4. We check that one right there.
Hopefully, fish got us nice. It's heavy. It was really heavy. Look like we might have a couple keepers here, y'all.
It feels heavy. It feels heavy with it.
Alright, here you go. Moment of truth, y'all. Oh, yeah, this one. Oh, maybe 2 keep. Oh, it's 2 keepers or something. Three.
Four.
4 keepers.
Four keepers.
Yeah, we got 4 keepers.
Whatever. Hold on, I'm taking a breath.
Give me a hand.
Look at this. Oh.
Okay.
Holding that, I'm holding that too. Which one? This one?
Yeah. Keeper. Check that one. That was one keeper. Yep, keeper right there. Two. Make it one more. Make it number 3.
Alright. Throw it back.
Go it. Throw it. Keeper number 4. I mean number 3. And go there. Keeper. Alright, y'all. It's not our best day. How many keepers we got, bro? Six keepers. It's enough to have a little mini feast. We didn't limit out as we hope. There's a lot of kayakers out here, as you guys can see behind me. No one really have much luck. We didn't get our full limit, which in California is 10 crab per person. 5 3/4 the size limit. Even though you're on a kayak fishing, sometimes it's not guaranteed. We're done for the day. Heading back to land. It was still a good day to be out here on the water. This is where peace is at. You alright, bro?
Wait. I think I'm about to catch a cramp, bro.
Oh my God.
Oh. Hold on now.
Okay. This is the oldest, youngest guy I ever know, right? That's why you guys should always kayak with a buddy, alright?
Oh, man.
Because stuff like this can happen, okay? People are getting old and have no more endurance. I'm over here hand towing this guy, y'all. I'm hand towing this guy. Carrying all the cages and towing this guy kayak. Alright. This is a grandpa right here next to me, but
Made it.
look at this guy. Look at this guy. I'm doing all the pedaling here.
You got the good propeller.
Whew. Damn, I need to get a boat. Alright, y'all, we just pulled up on shore to this island. We found a bunch of villagers over here. Some scavengers. Look like they're cooking some stuff here. Hopefully they're nice enough and to feed us.
Daddy, guys got oysters too. Hot dog burgers.
Free is good?
Oh, we got some drinks for you guys too.
Chuck some oysters here, y'all. Breakfast of champions.
Yeah.
You wanna know how to chuck oyster or what? Solid?
I'm gonna hook y'all up with the thing. I already know how to.
You sure? You wanna show me? Cause I don't.
Come on, hang out y'all too, man.
We sure is happy that y'all did.
You guys had no food or water.
No.
Good thing we came.
Where's the garbage at, Solid? Give me garbage.
Garbage in the garbage right here. Put it here, big.
Thank you, boy.
Just use all this back or whatever the crap. I'll let you go. How's it go? I'll let you go. I'm not gonna just show you.
Good. It's good.
Okay, okay.
Very good. Alright, we just got back to the house. We're about to cook up these crabs. Good. And it'll cool down a little bit. Looking hot.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Give me the Japanese meal.
How much?
The whole thing. I mean, not the whole thing, but yeah, that's good. Yeah, like that. Okay, that's good. That's enough. And then the jalapeno. Yeah. Okay. Throw some of the crab head juice, huh?
Well, yeah.
Yo.
Right. How's that in butter? Ooh, look at that. Okay, this is ready.
Good, bro.
Take a bite. Take another bite. Take another bite. How many? Honest opinion.
4.5.
4.5. Wow.
I just want a bite. I just want a bite. That's all.
Yeah.
Ooh.